Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share how you can make some beautiful high-end looking DIYs from Dollar Tree. So let's get right into it. The first one is this large candle pillar. What I'm going to do is take 2 soap dishes and glue them together with a combination of E6000 glue and hot glue. The great thing about E6000 is that it provides a stronger bond, but it takes a little bit longer. Hot glue helps it to stay together instantly, but is not as strong as E6000. Next, I'm going to clean my Frisbee that I found at the Dollar Tree with alcohol, just to make sure that there's no dirt or sticky debris on it. Afterwards, I'm going to attach it to the soap dishes with E6000 and hot glue. Once the glue had dried, I covered the entire piece with spackle. This is the kind of spackle that is pink when you apply it and it turns white when it dries. Once the spackle was dry, I spray painted it in black, but I really didn't like how it turned out, so I ended up spray painting it again in the color French Cream. And here's how it turned out. I just love how natural it looks. It pretty much goes with any color. Be sure to place a 1 in the comment section below if you like this one. The next project is a decorative vase. For this particular project, I will be using a large and small round glass bowl as well as a drinking cup. As always, you want to start off your project by cleaning your items with alcohol. Next, I'm going to glue the large and small round bowls together with E6000. You could also use hot glue to hold it in place while the E6000 dries. If you have glue dripping on the side, simply wipe it with a paper towel before it dries. Now glue the cup on top. Afterwards, I let the glue dry for 24 hours. Next, I'm going to spread spackle all over the vase. Let me tell you, working with spackle is so fun. If you have done a project similar to this, let us know in the comment section your experience. Once it was dry, I sanded the spackle down with a 220 grit sandpaper. I just didn't want it to be too textured. I want it to be smoothed down just a bit, but it's up to you, whatever your preference is. You do want to be delicate with this part so that you don't take off too much spackle. Now I'm ready to spray paint it in a light gray color. I wanted to add another element to the vase, so I'm going to add these beads to the bottom of it. But first I'm going to spray paint it gold. And then I added the beads to the bottom of the vase using rapid fuse glue. I wanted to add some color variation to the vase, so I blotted some dark gray craft paint on the vase using a tissue. Once it was dry, here's how it turned out. If you like this particular project, be sure to add the number 2 in the comment section. The final project is another decorative vase. For this project, I am going to use a clear glass vase. To start off, I'm going to spray the vase a metallic gold. Once the paint dried, I added strips of tape around the vase. And then I spreaded the spackle across. You want to make sure you cover the entire vase. Afterwards, I wrapped the vase with this cabinet liner. I wanted the spackle to take the print of the liner. Don't be afraid to press down on it. Now it's time to remove the liner. Make sure you go slow. Also, remove the tape. I'm using my X-Acto knife to do this. Once it was dry, here's how it looked. Very cool and unique. If you like this project, be sure to put the number 3 in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and share this video with others. If you would like to see more DIY home decor videos, check out these.